Free dragon crochet pattern, crochet. Well, hello and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about free dragon crochet patterns, and I figured we're going to try something different in that, you get to see my face this time. So around in this spot in my study we can show the free dragon crochet patterns, and let's just add a little spice to it, because one of these free patterns I have actually crocheted. So can you guess which one? Wait till you find out. Let's get started. All right, the first one up is this gorgeous little orange number. Of course you can crochet it in any color you want. If I look down, it's because that's where my my patterns are showing up. Here's the same one in black with green eyes, a little bit of stripy action there. Oh, look at the little tongue, so cute. Rainbow Reverie hand crochet. I have to link to all the crochet patterns in the description of the video. That will link to a blog post on my website, and then you can see all the photos. If you click the photo of your dragon of choice, you can find the free, absolutely free crochet pattern. So cool. Oh, I love this one. Look at this cool yarn that they used, like a variegated yarn. I've learned that expression in quite recently. Very adorable, this one, with a sort of triceratops type of horns there, and very cute. Here's the back. Has some little what you call these scales on the back, and I love the little cheeky cheeks. Here it is in the front. So cute. I really like the color pattern on this. So nice. This one is a hatching crochet. It's a crochet pattern of a hatching dragon. There it is. And there's different variations. I love the little eggshell remains on their little heads. It's very cute. And a little snout here. Can I zoom in for a bit? You can see like little pointy snout that they crocheted into the pattern. Absolutely adorable. Very nice. Here's the back with the little wings. Adorable. Now I have a lot of pictures of this blue one. It's very cute. It looks a bit angry with the little eyebrows, but very nice. It fits in your hand like that. So it's very cute. It's adorable. And I love the little snout also. Very cute. And here's a bit, this one is a little bit derpy looking. I have a little soft spot for derpy looking crochet patterns because, I feel related somewhat. Very nice. There's different versions. This is the same pattern, but has a completely different look to it. More fierce looking one, this one. And here's the derpy green one with this more fierce looking buddies, I suppose. These are dragon eggs. You can make them as pine cones as well, but I love the idea of dragon eggs. And this one is a dragon with a little wig. You have to love the little pink wig. It's so cute. Very nice. This is the same pattern still. I think the eggs are the scaled eggs that you saw in the previous video are part of it as well. So it's very nice. Fire breathing dragon. It doesn't fit on the thing at all. It's the same one. And then, oh, where am I going with this? It has it's carrying a little heart there. Very nice, very cute. It's adorable. Here's the side view of a dragon. That could also be a dinosaur, but I think that goes for most dragons. If you strip away the wings, it can be a dinosaur. Look at the face. It's so cute. Very nice. So it's based on this on the dragon in this set of I don't know what they are, but they're cute, and they made crochet patterns for all of them, including, and as I'm showcasing today, the little green dragon. Very nice. Here it is again. Another one. This is looking a bit sad. I love the shape of its face, or head, I should say. It has very cute little wings. Beautiful rose there. And this one is a fire-breathing dragon with actual fire, so beware of that. Of course, free pattern. There you go. Oh, I think the eggs belong to this one. the eggs that we saw earlier, the scaled eggs, belongs to this one. Because you can see, here they are. Yes, now I remember. Yeah, and I love how they color matched the different brightly colored dragons with their less brightly colored eggs. Very cute. I think they can actually go inside, if I'm correct. Do I have a photo of that? Yes, here it is going in. Oh, it can go inside. Just believe me that it can. So you have a little egg that you can give to someone, and then it hatches and it has this little cute little dragon coming out with his mouth wide open to actually spit some fire. I love this one. This is gorgeous, and it's free. Can you believe this is free? It's beautiful. Look at the way that they did the eyebrows. Are they eye ridges, I suppose, of the dragon? Very cute. And it's sort of, oh, let me return to the previous one. This one is shaped around the lamp. You can shape it around anything you want. Very nice. Oh, it's beautiful. And then this one is a little bit more simple, and but not less cute. Very nice bright colors. And here it is in its pink, with this pink little body. I love that it's sort of only a two-tone, very simple pattern. Adorable. If you take away the wings, so you think about it without the wings, it could be like a green cow. So very cute. Here's the pink one in the back. Has little what are they called? Wings. Oh, I love this one as well. Look at how fierce it's looking. It's a quite small one. I think there's a photo with a hand somewhere. But I love the detail in the eyes and in the horns and in you know, with horns or without horns. It's quite fierce looking. Oh, and you can attach also some flames to it. It's really cute. Oh, I don't have a photo with it, but it's not that big. But it's very. I think it's called. How's the name of the dragon? Oh, I might be wrong. I guess I might. There it is. This is a dragon fruit dragon. I have to sort of do that. I have to try to pronounce that correctly, and it's adorable. This one's very cute as well, also with its pink counterpart with the little wings. Here's a close-up, very nice. And I love this one. This is so cute. Look, had some more of a kawaii feel to it with the little mouth there, and the little felt. Yeah, they're not ears, are they? I don't know. Little side flappy things, and little belly. Adorable. It's all about Ami. Very nice. Very cute. Cute. Now, this one has options for the tail over an edge and the tail in front, but it's sort of a lying down dragon. It's quite large, quite cool. Quite cool dragon, this one. Let me zoom in. You can see, you zoom in, it becomes a little pixely, you understand. But it's very nice. It's such a cool pattern. Look at the details in the in all the embroidered parts of it. I love that. Here's the tail out in front. Advanced, it says, oh yeah, you need to know a little bit of crochet to be able to do that. Vincent the Dragon, it's called, and it's the perfect body to snuggle with or hang with on your couch. It's very cool. Look at the eyes. It has quite a stern look because of the eyebrows there. It's so cute. But he's also very friendly and will hang out with you wherever you want. And that's it for free dragon crochet patterns. Oh, of course, I would also, well, let me remind you, first of all, you can find the link to all these patterns in a blog post, and I put the link of that in the description below the video. All these patterns are free. Isn't it wonderful? There's so many crochet designers that that share their talent of designing crochet patterns with us for free. And dragons, I may add, the dragon is the year of the dragon 2025. The Chinese year of the dragon will be upon us before you know it. I mean, it is September when I'm recording this, but still, you know, you can't be too prepared for the new year. In this case, the new Year of the Dragon. Now, which one have I crocheted? Can you guess? Can you guess? Let me, if you have paid attention, it might have been difficult because I've been putting stuff in this area because the pictures are in this area here. But behind me is the answer to this widely anticipated dragon. Let me show you. Here it is. Oh, let me point it to the camera. It is the green cow dragon. Let me get the appropriate picture there. Hang on. And you can tell me whether I did a good job or not. So let's do a let's do a comparison. His head is a little bit askew to his body. So here he is. He's a little derpy. I added some teeth because without the wings, it really did look like a green and yellow cow, and you can imagine that without the teeth, it also looked that way, especially looked that way. I made it in the newly discovered by me velvet yarn type situation. Here's the wings. Because I'm more used to the acrylic yarn, I'm not used to them being this without structure. This yarn is very soft and snuggly, but it doesn't hold structure very well, and I have to learn how to crochet with that. And maybe I should have done a double layer of it, but that's a live and learn situation. The wings were already attached, and I didn't want to deattach them to add to it. I think it's quite cute. It's quite well, big. It's it's a good size, and here it is compared to its little. I added a little bit of detail in the eyes and of course in the nose and the teeth, and this part is less detailed because it's not acrylic yarn. I'm just not used to not getting the same kind of stitch definition that you would get with the acrylic yarn. This fluffy yarn, this fluffy bulky yarn is something I really am crocheting with. Only recently started crocheting with this, and I still have to get used to how it works and what you would need to add, etc. I just now noticed that I forgot to attach the tail. No tail, but and I have to say I'm quite happy with them. Look at that. Look at the little ears. It's so cute. So this is the free crochet pattern roundup for the dragons. I have in researching this. Searching for free patterns, free dragon patterns, I have encountered many more, and there will definitely be a part 2 of this. Not anytime soon, because there's Halloween with all the beautiful crochet patterns of Halloween in the way. On its way, not in the way, never in the way. We love Halloween crochet patterns. I do. We don't really celebrate Halloween, but I love Halloween crochet patterns. They're so cute. And Christmas, etc. In the new year, somewhere in the year, maybe as a Chinese, when the Chinese year of the dragon starts, somewhere January, February, I have no idea. I will do the second part of the free crochet patterns for the dragons, and I probably will make another one. I think I'm gonna do that for most of my roundups now, because I really enjoyed making something that I would otherwise never make. And it's good to sort of step out of your comfort zone with another pattern that I've never made before, but also with the kind of yarn that I've never used before. And I think I really enjoy this yarn. It's wonderful to crochet with. It's very soft. Going back to acrylic yarn after this is like sandpaper. Yeah, it's sandpaper yarn. But I have to say, I love crocheting with acrylic yarn as well. So it's just a little, it's just a matter of getting used to it, I suppose. So this is my free crocheted this is my dragon made from a free crochet pattern. I hope you found your favorite. I chose this one because it looked fairly simple, but with the velvet yarn, it turned out to be quite an interesting project, and I'm looking forward to many more interesting projects. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm looking forward to making the next one, and I always wish you happy crocheting. M for B, crochet.